Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking for the ultimate snorkeling experience, then you're gonna wanna check out this full face snorkel mask from Zacsync. One of my favorite things was just how comfortable and easy this mask was to use. I love that my whole family was able to use these masks and really enjoy the experience in the ocean on a whole new level. I found that I was able to use the small, medium, and the large, extra large, whereas my husband was just the large, extra large, and our son, he preferred the small, medium. This mask offers a nice, tight, snug fit around your face, which avoids any water from coming in. This mask exceeded our expectations. There was no fogging while underwater. We could breathe comfortably. I would say that this mask is not recommended for diving or for being underwater for an extended period of time. My husband and son were able to dive for brief periods of time, but not for an extended period. I think that this is a great mask for beginner snorkelers or someone who wants to enjoy a wider range view while underwater. It was amazing the amount of fish we were able to see with no fuss of water getting in our eyes. The mask does have adjustable straps and also a quick release option if needed. The mask might look a little bulky, but it's not heavy at all. After each time in the ocean, we simply rinsed it off with water and allowed it to air dry, and we haven't had any problems with the mask. This hands down elevated our snorkeling experience. So if you've been on the fence to try a full face mask, we would highly recommend it, and that's our point of view.